Hey, welcome back. My name is Sushant Satish, and I'm your trainer for this Microsoft 365 Certified Security Administrator Associate Certification course. In this episode, we're going to look into archiving in Microsoft 365. After this lesson, you would be able to describe between in place archive and records management and explain how data is archived in Exchange and recognize the benefits of in place record management in SharePoint as well. So, without wasting any more time, let's get into it. Exchange and SharePoint have become a reliable and common medium for communication and collaboration between information workers in organizations of all sizes. Mailboxes and document libraries have become repositories of valuable data. As a best practice, organizations should establish policies and provide guidelines to users about how to use messaging and document systems responsibly, including how data is stored. Microsoft 365 enables you to archive content as appropriate in Exchange mailboxes, SharePoint sites, and OneDrive for Business location in your Microsoft 365 organization. Two things what we are going to look in this lesson are in place archiving in Exchange and in place records management in SharePoint. Now, first understand in place archiving in Exchange. The archiving feature in Exchange is known as in place archiving. When an administrator enables the user's mailbox for in place archiving, an additional mailbox is created and displayed in users Outlook and Outlook on the web. Mails from the primary mailbox can be moved in various ways to the archive mailbox, including drag and drop or by using archive policy. With an in place archive, the user gets a consistent view of their messaging data without needing to use PST files. Because the content is stored in the user's archive mailbox instead of the PST file, the user does not need to worry about creating personal backups of their messaging data. Instead, the content is automatically saved in Exchange. Please note that if Outlook is configured in cached mode, the archive mailbox is not cached on the client computer. This decreases the required space for caching on the client, but it also means that the user can access the archive mailbox content only when connected to Exchange. Let's talk about in place record management in SharePoint. A record is a document or other electronic or physical entity in an organization that serves as evidence of an activity or transition performed by the organization and that requires retention for some time period. Records management is the process by which an organization determines what kind of information should be considered records, determines how active documents that will become records should be handled while they are being used, and determines how active documents should be collected after they are being declared to be records. In SharePoint, archiving is referred to as in place records management. You can either manage records in place, which means that you can leave a document in its current location on a site, or you can classify documents as records and store them in a specific archive, such as record center sites as well. That concludes the lesson on archiving on Exchange and SharePoint. In the next video, we're going to learn about retention in Microsoft 365. So I will see you on the next one. Till then, take care.